Okay, I've just arrived in my room in Pattaya, the Novo Gold, I think it's called. Let me just check for you. Novo Gold Holiday Pattaya. It's in Central. And look at the size of this room. I've just arrived. I wasn't gonna. Oh, there's a safe. There's a nightgown, what do you call it? Oh, night dress. Storage. Facilities, kettle and all that with coffees and stuff. And a fridge with 2 bottles of water. Look at this, we got a bath, we got a bath. Oh, I'm dying for a bath. And a big massive shower. Wow. There was water here, I don't know why I got water and glasses in the bathroom. So I moved them into the fridge. Look at this huge bed. And I'll take you outside, you've got a big balcony as well. Well, it's not big, but it's alright actually. Not much of a view. There's where I stayed last time, up at the edge. I think it's called the edge or the base, I'm not sure which one. I think that's the edge. And I can even make my own fruit, look. So, there we are. I've got to try and film outside. I don't really like filming at the swimming pool because people are in it. But I'll nip outside and have a look while I can. Right. I'm at the front now. There we go. All the way up there. Over Gold Hotel. There's surroundings. No, it's Central somewhere, not sure where. There we are. I'll walk up to the swimming pool through reception. Thank you. Swimming pool, internet, fitness room. Well, you get internet anywhere. I don't know what you use there. Where's the swimming pool? There's who's he? Christopher Columbus? I have no idea. I'm useless at that. Oh, Michael's here. Why is Michael here? Oh, look at this. Wow. I've got that programme. No, it's a celebration. I think I've got that. Oh, anyway, let's go. Anybody in here? Nobody's in, so there's your gym. Got whatever you want, I would tell you about it, but I know nothing about gyms. Massage! Get a massage here. Nobody out here. Nobody at the pool. You can pool to yourself. I was going to say it's a bit dirty, but it's not really dirty, it's just leaves and flowers that are blown in. I wonder if this jacuzzi thing works. See if there's any buttons to press. Jacuzzi switch. Let's have a look. Oh, jacuzzi switch. There we are. Have a look. Nothing happening. Yeah, turn it back off again, nothing's happening. There you go, there's a pool if you want to use a pool. Oh, there's a big C. Not the big C shop, the big C, actually CC. There's that as well. Right, so that's it. Just a little vlog of this hotel. Good value for money. I'm back at Moggy's. There it is. Breakfast. I'll go for this one. The full English breakfast. Big breakfast.
You want big one?
Yes.
Okay.
Big breakfast. Thank you very much. Right, look at this. I have hash browns, bacon, egg, beans, tomatoes, and mushrooms, sausages. That'll be it. Anyway, bye.